Good morning, all of you. मी शीतल पाचपांडे, कांदळवन प्रतिष्ठानाच्या वतीने सर्व उपस्थितांचे स्वागत करते. या नवीन वर्षाची सुरुवात कांदळवन प्रतिष्ठान सोनोरेच्या न्यूजलेटरच्या प्रकाशनाने करत आहे. आजच्या या सोहळ्यासाठी प्रमुख अतिथी म्हणून श्री नितीन काकोडकर सर, प्रधान मुख्य वनसंरक्षक वन्यजीव आपल्याला लाभले आहेत. जसे आपण सर्वांना ज्ञात आहे की 2012 मध्ये कांदळवन कक्ष आणि 2015 मध्ये कांदळवन प्रतिष्ठानाची स्थापना झाल्यापासून कांदळवन आणि सागरी जैवसंपदेच्या संवर्धन आणि संरक्षणास गती मिळाली आहे. या कालावधीत अनेक नाविन्यपूर्ण उपक्रमांना सुरुवात झाली आणि त्याची फळे आता दिसू लागली आहेत. या सर्व कार्याबद्दलची माहिती सोप्या भाषेत जनतेपर्यंत पोचावी आणि त्यांना विविध कार्यक्रमांमध्ये सहभागी करून घेण्याच्या अनुषंगाने सोनोरेशिया न्यूजलेटरची कल्पना समोर आली. याबद्दलची अधिक माहिती सांगण्याकरिता मी श्री वीरेंद्र तिवारी, अप्पर प्रधान मुख्य वनसंरक्षक कांदळवन कक्ष यांना विनंती करते. सर.
काकोडकर सर. हेलो काकोडकर सर.
हाँ नमस्ते, बोलो
सर वो आप अपना वीडियो कैमरा ऑन करिए ना. योर ना
कैमरा ऑन है मेरा.
सर रिक्वेस्ट है कि व्हेन रिक्वेस्टेड यू विल on say remote से या किसी से you press a button so that the issue will be released.
Yes. You tell me when I have to do it. I'll do it.
Yes sir. Okay. Yeah. Sir, already Deputy Director Projects Dr. Sheetal Pachpande त्यांनी सोनोरेशिया जे न्यूजलेटर आपण काढतो आहे त्याची पार्श्वभूमी एक्सप्लेन केलेली आहे. आणि I must say that we are inspired by other newsletters which are published by many Tiger Reserve. Particularly I remember Med Vyagra which is published every quarter. So even we thought as to why not we have such a big team of people who are working in the field of both marine as well as mangrove conservation, and many good activities which we are taking must be brought to notice of everybody else in the department, including public. Therefore, our team led by Dr. Manas and all other the foundation employees, they had a brainstorming session where we decided that we publish this newsletter, and then we constituted editorial board which is led by Dr. Manas, and we have decided to come out with a small newsletter which we would be limiting to 16 pages. Instead of making it very bulky, we would like to keep it brief so that there is interest and enthusiasm to go through this newsletter. We will be also publishing few copies to hand over to the guest whenever they visit our office. but mostly it will be a sort of e-newsletter only. Now this will be published every quarter, and we intend to release it on 1st of every quarter starting this January. Now I request, already sir, you have guided us on the format, and we appreciate your guidance in publishing this newsletter. So now I request you to kindly release this newsletter, Soner-Asia.
So I declare that the Soner-Asia e-magazine is now inaugurated or released.
Sir, I request you to say a few words on this occasion.
Okay. Well, good morning to everyone, and thank you very much for having me as the chief guest for this function of release of these e-magazine, which is very aptly and wonderfully named Soner-Asia. I don't think there would have been any other more appropriate name for a magazine of the mangrove conservation cell, since this is now recognized as the state mangrove tree of Maharashtra, and in sounding also it is very nice. So it is a very apt name for e-magazine, and it is also nice to know that this has been thought to be a e-magazine which would be limited to say about 16 pages. And the other good thing about this is that a few copies would be actually published or printed, so that one thing is that it remains on record, and the other thing is that whenever some VIPs do visit your office, you can readily hand over these magazines. I had the privilege of going through the inaugural issue, and I feel that so many things have been covered in that it is really come out very well, and I should congratulate the entire editorial team for this effort. Not only the articles, but the graphics and the way it has the layout, the way it has been presented. All this is really top class. So my hearty congratulations to the whole team, and also congratulations and a big thanks to the contributors, because there are many people who have written in this magazine. Apart from the factual information which is there are some articles. So those are also very interesting, and I think people would really love this. And the best test for any e-magazine or any magazine for that matter is that one thing is that it comes out in time. The all the issues should come out in time. And second thing is that the test is if people keep asking or waiting for it and keep asking you, okay, when is the next issue due? So that would be a real test for you, and that would be a test or a sort of that will speak about the efforts that you have put in. Now, just one small sort of not a caution, but just a small observation. Having seen a lot of such magazines being published, and then the frequency of such magazines does go down as the time goes by, and instead of maybe 3 months or quarterly, it becomes half yearly, and then maybe yearly also, or suddenly 2 or 3 issues get published together. So that you have to see to it, the editorial team has to see to it that this does not happen. And so that we have to take care. And I think that is possible with the kind of team that you have, that when you release one issue, the matter for the next issue should be ready with you, except for the events which will take place in during the quarter. Except for that, the other matter should be ready with you. So if you have that kind of scheduling, then I think this issue, this problem may not come. Therefore, in fact, I had requested, or I had made an observation that can you keep back some of the information which you had proposed in this particular inaugural issue to a later issue, so that you have some material or content with you when you have this inaugural issue. You also have something for the next issue. So that is a very important thing. I suppose that under the guidance of Mr. Virendra Tiwari and the other DCFs and other senior officers there and the whole team, I am 100% sure that this would, this would be rated as one of the best e-magazines, not only in the Forest Department, but I think elsewhere also. So let us look forward to it. And I am sure that with the kind of editorial team that you have, this certainly would go a long way. And my best wishes to Sonar Asia. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your advice. And we promise that it will be released every quarter. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. As Virendra Tiwari sir mentioned that on behalf of our team, we assure that we will follow all the suggestions mentioned by you. Now I request Shrimati Saili Gupte to give vote of thanks.
Thank you, Sheetal. कांदळवन प्रतिष्ठानाच्या वतीने मी श्री नितीन काकोडकर सर यांना आपला महत्वपूर्ण वेळ आजच्या सोहळ्याला देण्याकरिता आभार मानते. तसेच श्री वीरेंद्र तिवारी, श्रीमती मुली सोमराज यांच्या सक्रिय मार्गदर्शनाकरिता त्यांचे आभार मानते. त्याचबरोबर या न्यूजलेटरचे एडिटोरियल बोर्डचे मेंबर्स डॉक्टर मानस मांजरेकर, डॉक्टर शीतल भाजपांडे, श्री ऋषिकेश राजनाई आणि तसेच आमचे डिझायनर श्रीमती तेजश्री नकाशे यांनी कमी वेळात कौतुक करते व आभार मानते. सर्वात शेवटी सर्व उपस्थितांचे आभार आणि हे सांगून मी आजचा कार्यक्रम संपल्याचा थँक्यू सो मच.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Good day.